This semester we work with St. Nicholas Coffee. St. Nicholas Coffee is a company that exports coffee to all around the world. Right now we are located in Emiratos Árabes, United States, Canada, and Europe. What we did this semester was trying to find a new way to export the samples so we can find a cheaper way to get more profit out of it. Now we are going to explain you what we did. We are going to present you the Gantt and actually the actual solution.
We stated a first approach to our solution that it consists of again warehouse storage in two countries, Denmark and Norway. Denmark in order to reach the European Union market, and Norway in order to reach the EFTA market. The idea was to send approximately 50 pounds of coffee samples to each country, and from there make another exportation process in order to deliver to the final consumer. But we made a correction and we decided to establish a relationship with one retailer, a Danish retailer called Imerco.
First of all, we check the current flowchart of the company and we try to correct, proposing a new ones with new activities, and for each one we establish an indicator. Loading from the truck to the vessel, efficiency on the shipment process, unloading in the destination port, percentage of containers successfully loaded, warehousing, time spent of the samples in the storage, reception of orders, time spent between the order reception and the exit of the merchandise, final delivery, time of delivery versus expected time, marketing and sales, profit margin, customer satisfaction, recognition and congratulations, government, customs status. The new activities will be harvest indicator, quality of beans, process of drying, quality of taste, roast and ground, quality of scent, ground, quality of color, packages, quality of the packaging, transportation to the coastal city, time for load each truck, society, percentage of people benefit from the community, coffee sector, number of sector exports, growth indicators, customer satisfaction and quality surveys, and retailer.
Together with the KPIs, we established the balance scorecard. The first objective is potential, the improving the process of exporting example of the coffee, other export strategies that facilitate more the company's process and make it more effective outside the country. And this create a product value taking account the quality and export process. Second, finance. As a shareholder and owners are the same, what is sold in that investment in the production is reflected in the company, and that there is growth and each process and are effective. Customer, what we expect customer to see the commitment to the good product and the interest that the examples are on time with the good quality and leaving a good image of the company. Based on the purpose flowchart, we develop a Gantt diagram to plan the process to be followed to apply process for which we expect to accomplish in 35. With this diagram only consider the process of the first exportation to Denmark. The following exportation process will be in charge of the retailer with our exhaustive tracing.
To build our cost structure, we use a tool provided by ProColombia called Kiosk Simulator, DFI. which demand us, first of all, the Incoterm that we will use. We expect to use DDP, delivered duty paid, in order to deliver the merchandise in our retailer factory because there are samples. It is necessary to know the TRM that at November 2019 it was of 3,400 pesos approximately, but it is changing every day. We make a contribution with an insurance company, with Sura. It is a Colombian insurance company that could insure us to make a easier process of the claim of the insurance in order if it is necessary. And the tariff was 6,900,000 pesos. Finally we decided to deliver 80 pounds of coffee, each package of 1 pound, every 6 months. So for the first exportation process, we sent the 80 and we define a volume of 0.00559 cubic meters, and we decide to put it in a LCL, less than a container load. To build our cost structure, we use a tool provided by ProColombia called Kiosk Simulator, DFI, which demands us, first of all, the Incoterm that we will use. We expect to use DDP, delivered duty paid, in order to deliver the merchandise in our retailer factory because there are samples. It is necessary to know the TRM that at November 2019 it was of 3,400 pesos approximately, but it is changing every day. We make a contribution with an insurance company, with Sura. It is a Colombian insurance company that could insure us to make a easier process of the claim of the insurance in order if it is necessary. And the tariff was 6,900,000 pesos. Finally we decided to deliver 80 pounds of coffee, each package of 1 pound, every 6 months. So for the first exportation process, we sent the 80 and we define a volume of 0.00559 cubic meters, and we decide to put it in a LCL, less than a container load process, but it is one change. We must to write it in the final invoice. This pro forma invoice is mandatory to an exportation of samples. We have a sale price, but it is still a sample.
So for the conclusion, what we can say is that the study that we did that take us all the semester is actually factible. What does it mean? It means that we can get more profit out of the samples, over the sense of the samples, by doing our solution. Sending the coffee to one point and that from that point sending to the other points in Europe make a sample a better, like,